¿Qué huele, mis compas? This is the interior of my truck. Le vamos a cambiar todo esto. It's falling apart. Vamos a ir a Walmart and we're gonna pick some better leather out or whatever they have. Vinyl, fabric, I don't know what they have at Walmart, but hopefully they got something better than this. As you can see, well, it's already all effed up. We are at Walmart right now. I can't decide what leather I want. Well, not leather, it's like, I don't know, it's pretty much fake leather, but it's like, it's gonna be for my doors, so I need it to match pretty good. I wouldn't even expect Walmart to have this kind of thing, so I think I like this one, but I don't know, brown would fit it too. Maybe not that one, maybe this one too, but black would look cool, make it look a little better. She likes this one right here. I mean, yeah, I just want something that looks way better, and then you can clean it out when it's so dirty pretty good, because right now it looks like trash. To be honest, we're just thinking about it. This one's nice and classy, shiny, but then you see this and it's just like, it has nice texture, and you can tell like all the detail in here, like all the black, all the fades that it has. I think that one's gonna look nice because it's gonna be for an old truck.
Here to here is 1 yard.
That's 1 yard.
This is 36.
36.
Can we buy like a yard and a half?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. You want to do a yard and a
Yeah,
half?
please.
Okay.
Yeah, that'd be perfect right there. I think we're gonna take this one, guys. See how this one handles. So I just want to let you guys know that the one that's gonna be doing this project y poniéndole todo el detail, because I don't know, I'm not that much of a detail guy, so she's gonna be doing all that work, you know, so she's gonna be the one cutting it out and everything. I just do the installment and make it look good, I guess. If you guys want to know how much this was, this is 1 yard and a half for 15 bucks. $15 por una yarda y medio. Vamos a quitar la puerta ahorita and let's see what we can do. Hopefully we can just cut this out just like the same shape, and then I'm gonna just use that fabric glue and put it all back together just how it came off. It's gonna look nice or what? Bigger upgrade, smaller upgrade, I don't know. Comment down below what you guys think before I show you the end results, guys. Alright, so I just took it off. Here's the skin right here. It feels so bad too, to be honest. It feels so rough. So from that yard and a half, all we have to do is unfold it and cut it in half, because it was folded when we got this. So they measure it by I think just length. They don't care about the width at Walmart. So right now she's just about to trace it.
Yeah, I just flipped this thing over and then flipped this one over on top of it. We're using a Sharpie to trace around it. And since it already had extra fabric to fold over, I don't really need to trace too much more out.
And then she marked over here the lines, like just so a little reference, so we can get like most of this on there. Hopefully, we don't know where it's gonna end up at, but that's where we're gonna try to make it be, in the middle. She just got it all traced out. Now she's doing the hard part, you know, what we learned in kindergarten. Let's see if she still got it. Well, here's the second part. All gone. Ya estaba más duro. Ya la puerta toda encuerada. Naked, guys. Naked. She just cut this out for me, and this is how it looks. It looks so good, and it's not even glued on yet. So all these edges are gonna be able to be tucked in inside of there. It looks amazing already. What do you guys think? To run to Home Depot. You guys wondering how much it was $40. So just, if you guys have this and you guys are trying to do the same thing I am, then you guys are all set. My girl picked up this fabric right here. It's way better than the carpet that I had, and we're just gonna cut it out. She's gonna do that for me, and then I'm just gonna glue it down and it should be finished. Alrighty guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Hopefully you guys like this. It's a little bit dirty because I've been using it a little bit. So this door really doesn't really look that good because honestly, all those missing parts make it look like really incomplete. Just stay tuned for the next video when I go to the junkyard and get that piece and touch all this thing up. It's in rough condition, all this. And then we're just gonna have to fix everything like this. Hopefully I find this thing at the junkyard because I went a couple days ago and I didn't find anything. So there it is. So let me know what you guys think and see you next time.